I'm going to show you how to install a tachometer so you can see how fast your engine is spinning, or RPMs. Things first, we need to pick out a location to mount it. I think I'm going to put it right there. Just peel our 3M tape off. Somewhere right there. That should do it. Alright, tighten the zip tie. Always cut your excess on your zip ties off. Don't be a dick. Go ahead and wrap the wire in wire loom. Got our ground wire on an existing bolt. Yellow wire goes to a switch 12 volt power. Tap our yellow wire straight into our headlight switch. Alright, now we got a wire running off of the negative side of our coil through the firewall under the dash, and we will connect it to the green wire